Hello, Paul here at EMD Automotive. Today I've got a Porsche Cayenne Diesel, Generation 2 Diesel. The Generation 1's got the silver intake. Generation 2 Diesel's got the plastic intake. Today I'm doing the coolant leaks, fixing the coolant leaks on this car. Just before I start, I stripped the front off already and the intake out and all that stuff there. I'm at this stage here right now before I remove the oil cooler and all that. Have a look in there. Have a look at the actual coolant leak. Pretty bad. Have a look at the coolant leak from here. So if you're doing this job here, don't just do half-half. Take the whole front off, do it properly, otherwise it will leak again. So you got to replace this part here, which is the whole cover, front cover has to come off. The gaskets for the oil cooler, and that vacuum control flap there. In here, that part there, and this part here as well, intermediate flange, they break all the time. See there? It's broken. Every time you remove the EGR valve, they break because it's plastic. You can't do anything about it. So, alright. Just make sure the little screw there fell off yesterday, so I couldn't get it with my hand, so I'll just leave it there, so I'll check it out after that. So, make sure you clean up all this, take the oil cooler out and clean. Make sure it's fully cleaned before you start assembly. So this is only stage 1. I'm going to take the harmonic balancer out now, the water pump, and then take the whole front cover off, completely off, and then I can do the actual, replace that part there. Alright, this is just part 1. Once I get that off, I'll do a part 2 and part 3. If you're wondering about the part numbers, I'll just search up. I've got a video on a Q7, which they share the same same part as a Porsche and a VW. I've got all the parts there, so a lot of people ask me where the part numbers are. Just search up Q7 and you'll find it. But I'll try, I'll try my best to list the part numbers later on, somewhere in the video. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.